Hello, I'm Dr. Bo Mason with the OrthoCarolina Hip and Knee Center. We specialize in adult reconstructive surgery, which in layman's terms is hip and knee replacement. And after patients have had a hip or a knee replaced, they'll often ask, what type of assistive devices am I going to need? And it's a fair question, because we know that your hip or your knee is going to be a little bit weaker than it was. We're going to need some ways to support you. We're going to get you up and walking around first in the hospital with a walker. We use walkers as opposed to crutches because we have less falls associated with that. And then with time, usually after you've gotten home, you're going to be transitioning to the use of a cane. A cane is a good idea. It allows you to stay supported as you continue that recovery phase. Beyond that, there are other things that can be helpful for you. And we're going to have an occupational therapist work with you in the hospital. Their job is going to be to assess what your particular needs are, what the needs that have been recognized by your physician for you are in the recovery of that particular surgery, whether it's a hip or a knee replacement surgery, and make some recommendations to you. Specifically, we're going to look at things that may prevent you from needing to bend over after hip replacement surgery. Some surgeries will require limitations in how much flexion you can have in your hip, and consequently will give you an elevated toilet seat. That's not something that everyone does, but it is a common practice. Additionally, you may need some assistance in getting your shoes and socks on, and we have kits that will lay all these types of devices out for you and show you exactly how to use them. And once you return home, most of the exercises that you're going to be doing will be a continuation of the exercises that you were taught in the hospital. Physical therapists will be working with you and will show you additional exercises as you progress to gain strength, confidence in your new joint replacement.